and welcome to the 2 Minute Coach, where I'll be sharing tips and strategies and growth tools in 2 minutes that you can apply to a lifetime.
And it's not about the successes. Your learnings and your biggest breakthroughs all come from the challenges, from the learnings. Now, whether you call that failure or just feedback, then that is the feedback that will drive you and give you the clues of what to do moving forward, right? Success leaves clues. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. And what you think is the direction and the path that you need to follow, there's probably someone else that has done something similar or has already achieved what you wish and plan to achieve, or has the life that you want to live. So lots of big changes going on at the moment. Back to taking risks, back to leveling up, back to taking that level of unfamiliar gains to start to innovate, pioneer, and evolve, because that's what life is all about. And, we've been in this location for 5 years now, and there are some big changes coming. Yes, it's uncomfortable. Yes, it's unfamiliar. Yes, it's another step higher that moves us towards our future self, our best future self, and definitely for me to be able to create that environment that is just built and designed for excellence. That is the mission, and that's what we will continue to aspire to be and continue to evolve. So there's a little insights around success is you've got to be hungry. You need to have the drive. You need to know what you want. You need to know what you don't want. And you must be willing to do the work. Because when you fall in love with the process, it's never about the work. It's just how you are investing yourself, your time, your resources to think critically, to achieve the unknown and keep moving forward in this incredible opportunity we have been given called life. So make it count, make the most of it, and be the best version of yourself. Have a great day.
Thanks for listening. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss future episodes, and would love to get your feedback, so please give us a review on iTunes, Apple Podcasts and Google Podcasts so that we can share 2 Minute growth tools with the world.